Why would they give you a battery charger on a brand new bike? Well, unfortunately, I couldn't be there when they uncrated my bike, but I can still tell you what you get if you happen to buy an MV Agusta F3. Most importantly, you get the bike. Look at that sexy beast. You get 2 keys. You get a little pouch to keep all your paperwork. And of course, it's in Italian. You get a letter from the head of the company. 1 in Italian, 1 in English, welcoming you to the MV family. Of course, you get an owner's manual. This version is 200 pages of English and 200 pages of French, which makes for some excellent nighttime reading. They give you a few MV stickers to put on your lunchbox, and they give you what is honestly the prettiest USB drive I have ever seen in my life. It contains the owner's manual, the maintenance manual, and the parts catalog. Brushed and etched aluminum, it is like friggin' jewelry. As far as tools, there's not much there. They give you 2 little Allen wrenches to get off the bodywork, a fuse puller, and they give you a wrench to tighten the chain. But it's kind of useless because they don't give you a 10mm Allen wrench to loosen the pinch bolts. So you're gonna have to buy one of those yourself. And lastly, they give you a battery charger. Now, if you're like me, you're wondering, why would they give you a battery charger on a brand new bike? Well, the reason is F3s are notorious for sprag clutch issues. Apparently, it's helped by having your battery fully charged at all times. So this is kind of a band-aid solution, but it's just a poor design, and at some point it's gonna fail and your bike won't start. So I got that to look forward to. So those are all the things you get when you get your MV Agusta F3.